All right, so we're going to do the install of a 4-point removable chin strap here. As you can see, I have the chin strap laid out. We've got the hard hat. This is a V-guard. This is the true if it's a top guard or if it's a skull guard, any one of our hard hats that have the 4-point suspension in it. Each one of these chin straps here does come with instructions. They're pretty good, but I thought a video might be better. All right, so what I do first is I lay the chin strap out just like that. And if you'll notice, bring this down, focus right down here, it actually says back right there, which means this goes on the back two pieces of the, or two lugs here on the hard hat. Okay, so if you lay it out like this in the back, these in the front, and then if we just bring it like this, and we sort of lay it on top of the hard hat, this is how we're going to install it. So it doesn't matter which one you start with. I start with the back because the back of the hard hat here is facing me. Important that you go underneath here, right under there, just like that, because it's going to go up against your head, and then we just push it right into place, right into the lug. It goes on the inside of the strapping there. So you want it both sides of that clicked right in there. Okay, note that it's on the inside here. We don't want it wrapped around here, or it's going to push this into your head and not be too terribly comfortable. Okay, and then we're going to do the same thing over here. Bring it underneath and push it in same way, just like that, and make sure both sides are clicked in. Okay, so now we have it sitting here. Now we're going to go on the outside. I'll do this one here. We're going to turn it. Note that this has a brow pad on it. This is something I installed. Hard hats don't come with those. You have to order those separately, but they are pretty darn comfortable. Okay, same thing. We expose that by pulling it back, and then we just push it right into place, and it clicks right in. Again, make sure these straps don't get turned. You can see that these are all nice and flat here. Keep that nice and flat. We go over and do the last one. Click both of those into place. Both of them are secure. Okay, so now we can pick the hard hat up like this and make sure that none of these are turned. Everything is flat. If one was turned or twisted, then we would want to adjust it. These are the adjusters here. I'll show you those when I put it on. Here's the release. I'll go ahead and turn this around, pop it on. This down. Tighten the suspension up here. Go ahead and click it underneath. And then I told you these here are set, but we have some adjustments up front here. So we can bring these tabs out and lift them up, and then now that's going to make it looser, or we can just pull them down like this. I've got a small head, so I clip those in just like that. This is adjustable as well. Obviously we can pull this through to adjust it up a little bit tighter, pull it back the other way. So there you go. Notice that the straps are flat in the back. This crosses right in the back. Everything is good. Pretty darn comfortable and pretty easy to use.